this first episode is kind of like an origin story for Deadpool Camaro. Wouldn't you say?
There you go. Yeah, I'd say.
It.
Welcome everyone to UC MAFIA Limited, the new YouTube channel. My name's Jeremy. I'm on Deadpool, episode 1, coming to you worldwide right now.
Is this first episode is kind of like an origin story for Deadpool Camaro. Wouldn't you say?
There you go. Yeah, I'd say. It gives you an idea on where and why I built the Camaro the way I did.
Yeah, and do you want to kind of explain in words?
I can go. If anybody wants to listen.
Well, we're doing it anyways.
Right. Well, I've had the car since 2012. It's a 2011 Camaro SS, L99 automatic. Got a few upgrades, whatever.
We're going to have a lot more.
Well, yeah, we'll have a lot more. But June 23rd, 2016, day before my birthday, I unfortunately drove through a puddle of water that ended up flooding my car. 1,000-year floods come through West Virginia. Killed Deadpool.
El Nino.
Yeah, it was a harsh one, man. It was pretty crazy. Didn't just, hydro lock it, hydro shattered, put shattered 7 and 8, put 8 through the block. Had to get a new engine. So, I got a 100,000-mile warranty on my motor. It's only got 35,000 miles on it. So, it's all cool.
That's good, though.
Yeah. Well, until I,
Well, yeah, until we put
that warranty.
a few
Isn't that what we do?
a few
warranties.
extras.
Put out there that this episode is sponsored by Logo Sense. They're a great place. It's becoming summer. You got your own company, you got your own channel, you got your own brand. You want to put on a pair of sunglasses, guys. Show everybody off out there how you rep your company. Let them get your sunglasses. Let other people rep your stuff. These are great sunglasses, guys. Great quality. I mean, look at that. Nice hard plastic, not cheap. They're great sunglasses. They even make them like this. You can have your logo done in many different ways, dude. Use the link below. Get 30% off your order. Help support the channel and get money off your order. Get your sunglasses.
So, how long did it take, do you think?
Well, I've been working on the car. Like I said, it got flooded in 2016. Insurance didn't want to fix it, so I fixed it myself. Yeah. Zeus is heading up to Colorado.
Where's he going?
Clean culture.
Ah.
Yeah. But anyway,
and he didn't pack it. He didn't pack us away in his suitcase, man.
Right. Anyway,
Zeus, come on, man. You gotta know this stuff, bro. You gotta throw me and Deadpool up in the suitcase, bro. There's enough room in the trunk. We'll fit.
Yeah. Season opener, like you said.
What?
Anyway, it's taken me. I work on it every, as much as I can. Put the money that I can put into it. I mean, we're all broke, because that's what we do. We put our money in our cars. But
that's exactly what we do.
When it come down to it, I mean, a lot of people say, well, what is it about Deadpool that you like so much? And the whole thing about it is the car had nothing to do with the movie, had nothing to do with the comic book or anything. It just kind of happened out of nowhere. We watched the movie Deadpool. My wife said, "Hey, you're smart ass, you're show off. There's your theme for your car." But yeah, it was a good one.
Leave it up to the wife.
Right.
But in a way, it was almost perfect.
Right.
You know what I mean? It was perfect the way it all happened. You know what I mean? Hey, what's going on, Ant? How's it going, brother? But yeah, like it was almost a perfect storyline. You know what I mean? How the thing happened to Deadpool in the comic books, and you know what I mean? How it all happened to him, and then you know the way it happened with you and your Camaro. It was a perfect fit.
Yeah. Talk about
Kicking ass and taking names. Payback time, I'm not playing games. These superpowers are feeling strange. I move like a friggin' ninja. Hand to hand, you know I'll lynch ya. Got two swords, now all up in ya. I don't care if I offend ya. Listen up, I got something to say. That's right, I run my mouth all day. Step up, take a blood bath. Now you're trying to run and it's making me laugh. Ha ha ha, where you gonna go to? Try to hide, but you know that I'll find you. Tippy toes, sneaking up behind you. I'm Deadpool, do I have to remind you? Regenerate, because it's cool when I fall off a ledge. Deadpool. The crazy ass guards are looking to duel, so click, click, boom. Deadpool. I don't believe in the golden rule, I came to get laid. Deadpool. Note to the ladies, I'm not a tool, I'm a sexy motherfucker. Sexy motherfucker. Sexy motherfucker. Sexy motherfucker. Deadpool. Deadpool. They call me Deadpool, I'm hella fast. Came to murk the bad guys and get some ass. Got blades for days, got guns galore. Got combo moves, evades and more. With bear traps and hand grenades. Pull the pistol like a maniac right in your face. Popping off caps, leave a trail of guts. Sitting on my chair, scratching my nuts. Don't stop when I shoot, full auto was on. Your ass is grass and I'm on the lawn. Hot lead to the head and I won't stop what your crew gonna do.
I love talking about my car. I absolutely do. I mean, I
Who-
go to
who
shows
doesn't?
as much as I can, you know, and that's what I do for my sponsors, you know.
Exactly.
Speaking of, since, we bring that up, I want to thank you there, UC MAFIA Limited, for sponsoring me.
Of course, bro.
You know, we're gonna take it over, man. Speed
We are.
Society's gonna help us out.
We're gonna take.
Okay, guys, I want to announce one thing to you. UC MAFIA Limited, thank you. You're my newest sponsor. It's going to be great. We're going to kick ass. Yeah.
So like my guns all big like Texas. Hey goons, thugs and bosses. Guess what? I brought Colossus. Time's up, better count your losses. Kicking that ass as my girlfriend watches. Run away, you know that I'll chase every bad guy, put them right in their place. Revenge, I'm gonna give you a taste. I'm sexy as hell, but I cover my face. About to take you all to school with guns and knives. Telling jokes and breaking the rules, I came for the tacos. Playing with the ladies and the family jewels to bust a nut. About to throw down with all these fools, so come and get some. Bring the noise, I'll bring the pain. Ha! Kicking ass and taking names. Payback time, I'm not playing games. These superpowers are feeling strange. I move like a friggin' ninja. Hand to hand, you know I'll lynch ya. Got two swords, now all up in ya. I don't care if I offend ya. Listen up, I got something to say. That's right, I run my mouth all day. Step up, take a blood bath. Now you're trying to run and it's making me laugh. Ha ha ha, where you gonna go to? Try to hide, but you know that I'll find you. Tippy toes, sneaking up behind you. I'm Deadpool, do I?
Oh, damn it. Ow! I had that weird Wayne Rooney dream again.
All right, I hope everybody enjoyed this episode. We are UC MAFIA Limited. Remember, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button. Any car is welcome. Give us a follow on Instagram. Remember, keep it safe out there, and we'll see you at the light.